Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's guide video we are simply going to learn how we can reset our keyboard dictionary settings to the factory default settings. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to reset keyboard dictionary on iPhone. So in today's video, we are simply going to learn how we can reset our keyboard dictionary settings to the factory default settings. So you want to make sure to simply watch today's video till the end. First things first, if you are on your iPhone, what you want to do is you want to simply open settings. As you open settings here, you want to scroll down at the bottom until you find the option called General. Once you find General, you want to go ahead and simply tap on General. After you tap on General, you will scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen and you will find an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. So what we want to do is we want to simply go ahead and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. As we tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, here you can see we have the option to reset our iPhone, but we are not going to reset our iPhone, we are only going to reset the keyboard dictionary settings. So in order to do that, what you want to do is at the bottom you want to simply tap on the reset button right over here. As you tap on reset button, here you have the option called reset keyboard dictionary. So in order to reset our keyboard dictionary on iPhone, you want to simply go ahead and tap on reset keyboard dictionary, and you want to enter your passcode and then confirm the settings, and then once done, your keyboard dictionary is going to be reset to the factory default settings. So if you were facing any kind of error early on and now you want to reset it after this, you will have successfully fixed the issue. So in this way, you can very easily reset your keyboard dictionary on iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any more questions, also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.